Welcome to the installation guide for the OES rear magnetic air shock for various GM SUVs, GMT K2xx/C, with Magneride Z95. This video will walk you through the steps to ensure a smooth and safe installation process for your vehicle's suspension system. Let's get started. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. The product shown in this installation video may look different than the part you're installing. The installation steps are the same, unless otherwise noted, and all notices and warnings should be adhered to in the same manner. Set the steering to straight ahead. Now lift the vehicle and remove the rear wheel and wheel well liner. Locate and remove the airline to deflate the shock. Turn the metal clip approximately 90 degrees to remove the airline fitting from the air strut. Next, locate and remove the electrical connection from the top of the shock. Detach the strut connection from the clip on the vehicle. Then loosen and remove the upper and lower shock mounting nuts. Support the axle to relieve pressure from the air strut's mounting points and remove the upper and lower air strut mounting bolts. You can now remove the shock from the vehicle. Make sure to tighten all nuts and bolts to the manufacturer's specifications during the installation process. Then start the installation by removing the shipping cap and installing the new Arnott magnetic shock. Install the lower and upper shock mounting bolts and nuts. Install the electrical connection and clip to the vehicle. Also, install the air hose connection. Now install the wheel well liner and the wheel and lower the vehicle to complete the installation. Thank you for following our guide on installing an OES rear magnetic air shock for various GM SUVs, GMT K2xx/C, with Magneride Z95. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.